Hello, my gorgeous little YouTubers. How are you all doing today then? Good? Good. Forgive my nails, but that will all become clear within a day or two. Right, here we go. It's an English threepenny bit, 1943. Threepence. Right, guess what we're going to do with it? No. Yeah, we're going to make a ring out of it. Makes a change, doesn't it? Right. First of all, we're going to bang a hole in it. And we're back to good old Bertha. I got in there this morning and she was leaking all over the place. She's a naughty, naughty girl. I'd like to thank my newest subscribers for hitting that subscribe button, and I'd like to thank all the people that like my video. They're all star players in my eyes. Love you all. Oh God, I didn't have to slap it on the bottom today. Makes a change, doesn't it? Right. Okay, 1 threepence. I just want to clean it up a bit, make sure there's no cracks in it, or you know the score. I've said it 1,000 times. This is Christy Burr, my deburring tool. Tomorrow's video is the big one. I hope you all like it. I'm looking forward to it. If you're new to the channel, I make rings out of coins. There's a little button down there. Hit that. Come on, hit it. And you'll automatically be subscribed. I'm doing it, but it's not working. You've got to do it yourself. Sorry about that. Bit of work for you. And hit the like button. I could do with some more love. Right. It's going to be a small ring, this one. Bernie the fire starter. Yeah, tomorrow's night video, the Halloween special. I think you'll find it amusing. Well, hopefully, you know. Because this has all started off as making a ring for a girl I knew. You know, got a few subscribers, a few likes. I thought, okay, let's play the game. And here I am, 3 months later. Right, we need to fold it. And for that, I'll use a 17-degree folding die. We have this as the sunny side up on the ring, so this goes face down. I was watching the old football last night, the ladies football. The English Lionesses playing South Africa. We won, but it's a bloody good game. The South Africans are pretty good at the old football. That's fully folded. Yeah, I prefer watching women's football now to guys. I mean, the guys, there's so much money involved, you know. One of the guys gets tapped on the shin. He does about 50,000 somersaults, rolls around on the floor for about half an hour. The girls, the women footballers, they get the same. What do? They get straight up and keep playing. And they're playing just as good as the guys now, I think. There's no bullshit involved, you know, they just get up and keep playing. So, it was a good game though. Some of the South Africans are really fast. Faster than the fast thing. Right, here we go. This is to our little baby Spike. Yeah, we all know what he does. He stretches your ring. It's going to be quite a small ring, this one. But don't forget, there's people out there with small fingers. So it's quite a narrow banded one as well. Is it looking any splits? Focus, hocus pocus, by focus. When I was a kid, I loved that song. Hocus pocus by focus. Anybody remember that? Any of you guys out there as old as me? How old am I? In my head I'm still about 6. Right, there you go. I think maybe a touch more. Okay, that'll do. That's enough of that. But don't forget, all my rings, I now clear coat them. So if you've got any allergies, it should help. I mean, clear coat does wear off after a certain amount of months or a year or so, but you can always top it up with some clear nail varnish. So let's put this bit fit in there. I might get a little bit out of this. And then we'll this is the bottom end of Spike. What am I doing? What's going on? This is the same dye I used to. Well, that hardly moved at all. So, what am I doing? Where is everything? Yeah. These are just reduction dies. This is what makes the ring smaller. If you want one of my rings and you want it a bit smaller, I stick it in this. And give it a bit of love. Oh yeah. So you just want to get them walls a bit straighter. Can you hear the fan in the background? All the leaves are off the trees now in Finland. Or in Helsinki. I mean, they've been off in Lapland for quite a while. It's a lot colder up there. Maybe a touch more. But not a touch too much. Maybe. Decisions, I don't know. Yeah, some nice replies yesterday, thank you so much. You're all star players. Yeah, that's good. She's a good one. Right, let's get Kate Bush on the game. She's not looking too bad today. She's had better days, but she's also had worse days. Yeah, I do custom work. If you're looking for a ring made, I've got quite a few coins. You can contact me, see what I've got. You can send me your own coins. You can check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. So if you're looking for a giggle, check out tomorrow night's video. I love making it. My girlfriend couldn't stop laughing when she was she's done a bit for the very beginning, and she won't show me what it is, so yeah, it'll be new to me as well tomorrow when I watch it for the first time. Where's my polish? There it is. Oh God, there we go. Sorry guys, you know what I'm like. I'm just a mess. Right. As you can see, my hands are covered in polish and oil. So after the video, my girlfriend cleans them up properly, takes the photographs, she uploads the video. So without her, there wouldn't be much of a YouTube channel really, because I can't do all that stuff. Let's whack in Felton John. I'm still standing. I'm sorry about yesterday's video. I keep going off camera all the time, you know. Well, there's a bloody great monitor in front of me. I end up going over there somewhere. Sorry about that. It's probably an age thing, you know. Yeah, it's probably an age thing. Looks quite good. I should do a few necklaces as well. There's a few in my shop at the moment, not many, but key rings, stuff like that. If you're looking for anything, you got any ideas, drop them in the comments. You can email me at yourfingermyring@proton.me. Okay, what we got? That's looking pretty sexy. There you go. One UK, 1943. 3 pence, or in old language, the threepenny bit. And that's why you use the kitchen towel. You're going to focus, you bugger. Well, there you go, folks. There's no lip on the inside, so I don't need to hoochie coochie that out. Size wise, EU, we've got a size 57.5, and the good old US of A, size 8.5. There you go, folks. Thanks for dropping by. Don't forget to hit the like button. Have a great day, and you wait till tomorrow. Are you in for? Well, you're either going to love it or think I'm a complete arsehole, but I enjoyed doing it and I hope it makes you guys have a laugh. So bye bye. See you tomorrow.